Hello, grade 3. How are you today? Let's start our lesson. It's about the area and perimeter story problems. Okay? Let's see here. You want to put a lace board in the first problem. Yara wants to put a lace border around her picture of dimension. What does it mean, dimensions? Means length and width. Okay? So the small side called what? It's width, and the long one called length. So how long a lace border does she need? I've got two dimensions. The width is the small side and the length. Okay, I need to get what? To get the border or the frame. I mean the outside, the frame outside called perimeter. So determine whether you find perimeter or area. Sure, we need, when we talk about the frame or the outside border, we talk about the perimeter. Write a number sentence to solve this kind of question. Okay, to calculate the perimeter, get the sum of all the sides. Okay, side length 3 plus 5 plus another 3 plus 5. You know this picture looks like a rectangle. In the rectangle, each two opposite sides are equal in length. Okay, so the perimeter equals 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Again, 5 plus 3 equals another 8. 8 plus 8 equals 60. Let's see the next example. Okay. Wael's family tiled the floor in their front hall of dimensions 6 meter and 4 meter. Okay, excellent. I can hear you. The dimensions is length and width. The long side is 6 and the short side is the width. Okay, they use square. When I say square units, square. So I'm talking about what? I'm talking about the area inside. I'm covering the area, covering inside the room or the floor. So I'm counting the square units, so I'm talking about the area. Okay, they use square tile that measure 1 meter on each side. How many tiles did they use? Okay, determine whether you find perimeter or area. Of course, area, because I'm covering I'm tiling the floor. When he used the square, so I'm talking about the area. So the area is length by width. Okay, it looks like a rectangle. Okay, we have long side, it's the length, and the short side is the width. Okay, so the area equals 6 times 4 equals 24 what? Square meters. So they use the square meters of tile. Okay, let's see the next. Read and solve each of the following story problems. You can draw a figure for help. Okay. Mina built a backyard pen for his puppy. Mina wants to what? To build a home for his puppy. The length of the pen of this home, so the length L, 3 meters, and the width is 2 meters. What the area of the pen? We should write the rule or the formula of the area. Area equals area of rectangle equals length by width. So area of the pen 3 times 2 equals 6 square meters. Okay, don't forget to write the units of measuring area, the square units. We have meters, so we write square meters. The second one, Marianne wants to tile the kitchen. When I say the tile, means the cover. The cover, so I'm talking about the area. Okay, kitchen floor. If the floor is 4 meters long, long means the length, and 3 meters wide, wide means the width. Okay, so the area equals length times the width. How many 1 meter square? Square units, so I'm talking about the area. So let's solve this question. The area, okay, 4 times 3 equals 12 square meters. Okay. Here we have, in the first exercise, a book had a length of 20 centimeter and width of 12 centimeter. So this is the long side is the length, and this is the short side is the width. So the length is 20 and the width what is 12. To get the perimeter of the book, go around the figures to get the sum of its sides. So 20 plus 12 plus another 20 plus 12. Let's write the perimeter of the book. Okay, 20 plus 12 plus 20 plus 12. Get each two numbers between bracket. Okay, and make plus. Okay, 20 plus 12, start from the ones place. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So it's 32. Okay? Let's see. We have another 32. So 32 plus 32 equals 64. Okay? So the answer will be 64 what? Centimeter. Because we have the length unit is centimeter. Okay? Let's see the next one. Omar is a farmer. His farm is 250 meter long. So the length is 250 meter and 150 meter wide. He wants to install a fence. Fence means it's around or make it around. It's a frame from outside his farm. Outside, a frame outside means what? Means perimeter. So I'm gonna calculate the perimeter of this fence. What is the length of the fence, not the area? Okay? So we get the dimensions. 250 plus 150 plus again 250 plus 100 plus 250. Let's see here. What do we do? How can we write it? The perimeter of the fence, 250 plus 150 plus 250 plus 150. To get this, put each two numbers between bracket and get the answer. Okay, make a draft here. 0, sorry, I will write the sign plus, and here and in this one. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1 again equal 4. So 250 plus 150 equals 400. Again 400 plus 400 equals 800 what? Meter, because the unit is meter. Okay? Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and goodbye.